Hi there, I'm Philip Chu, Product Manager at Roland DGA. Let's say instead of going direct to customers, you're now part of a supply chain and looking to do more industrial and manufacturing process, like this air gauge. Roland UV has you covered. Roland UV products all run on VersaWorks 7, our proprietary software package. Combined with DG Connect, you'll know everything there is to know about your printer's health, when it's printing, ink usage, and be able to calculate your ROI and keep yourself productive. Our UV flatbed products have multiple ink types available for all your application needs. Our EUV5 is our general purpose ink that works on a variety of substrates, as well available with red and orange inks for an expanded color gamut that will definitely match your company colors. Our V-Bond is our high build flat substrate specialty ink that really will adhere to any of your outdoor and interior signage needs. Our H7 ink is our new specialty ink for any of your manufacturing process. Thank you for watching. Visit RolandDGA.com for more information.